What do you guys think it is?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's time for a test fit. Hey guys, you want to open this up?
Yeah.
Should we test fit it?
Yeah. Let's do it.
How do you think it looks?
Good.
So here's all of our brakes and steering. We are out here playing in the snow. I need to drop these air pressures because we have about 2 inches of fresh snow on top of ice. But we are testing our new wheels. These are the 1552 Turbomac HD. We got them in bronze with a black beauty ring. This is a 17 by 8.5 inch with a 0 offset, which I like so far. It's made the road manners better. So let's get these aired down and get down the road. We also upgraded to the, I believe they're by Apex. Yeah, Apex quick deflate valve stems. Really nice upgrade. Very happy with them. That's all it took right there to go from 34 pounds to 15 pounds. As you guys can see, we got pretty well stuck in that snow. It is still very much so spring weather here in Washington. Spring weather means very sticky snow and ice underneath it. But overall, guys, we are super happy with these wheels so far. I love the look. I think it's an awesome spoke pattern, and I'm very excited about what's to come for these. If you guys are interested in picking up a set of wheels, you can support us and 1552 by using our discount code. It is RUGGED15. We will do an updated review of these wheels after some time, after we've gotten to know them. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, what kind of tests we should do with these wheels.